It usually starts with a slight tremor in the leg. Soon, the paws are rapidly twitching, paddling against the carpet with a muffled whine. When we see this happen on the living room floor, we tend to smile and assume they're out in a field somewhere, happily chasing a squirrel. But proving what an animal actually experiences while they sleep is a notorious scientific hurdle. Because dogs are trapped behind a language barrier, we can't simply wake them up and ask what they saw. It leaves us with a lingering question. Are these movements just random, meaningless muscle spasms, or is the dog experiencing a complex visual dream world? To find the answer, and to discover if you actually feature in those dreams, we have to look past the physical twitching and decode how the canine brain processes memory. Humans and dogs share strikingly similar brain structures, particularly the regions processing memories, like the hippocampus. Because of this shared anatomy, both species experience identical sleep architectures. We fluctuate between light resting states and deep valleys of sleep throughout the night. The primary difference is the timescale. A large dog will complete a full sleep cycle in about 90 minutes. Smaller breeds operate at a much faster pace. A Chihuahua, for instance, races through a full sleep cycle every 10 minutes. At the bottom of those cycles is REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is the highly active phase where the most vivid dreaming occurs. Since dogs possess the exact same biological hardware and sleep cycles as humans, the neuroscience suggests they must experience similar visual phenomena while they rest. Knowing that an animal dreams is one thing, proving what they see is another. Researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology observed this process directly. They placed rats on a circular track for a food reward. As the rats ran, researchers mapped the exact neurons that fired in the hippocampus. Later, they observed those exact same neural pathways when the rats fell asleep and entered REM sleep. This chart shows waking exploration cell firings on top and subsequent sleep data below. The sleeping brain activity perfectly matched waking activity. The patterns were so precise, researchers could determine exactly which track section the sleeping rat was visually recollecting. The data confirms that mammalian brains remain highly active during sleep, visually replaying daytime experiences in a precise neural loop. To understand why the mammalian brain goes through the effort of replaying the day, we look to human psychology. It serves a process called memory consolidation. Every night, the brain takes the fragile, newly acquired memories from your daytime activities and prepares them for long-term storage. This neural replay occurs in a fragmented form, breaking the day into isolated elements rather than a chronological recording. The brain takes fragments of recent experiences and weaves them into older, established memory networks. It's how we extract meaning and learn how to navigate our environment. The bizarre, fragmented nature of dreams has a biological utility. It is the essential mechanism for learning, emotional adaptation, and memory storage. This brings us back to those twitching paws on the living room floor. The muffled barks, the lip curls, and the paddling legs are simply subconscious physical reactions to this vivid, fragmented memory replay. If your dog is whining in their sleep, they aren't necessarily having a nightmare. They are likely just exhibiting their normal daytime communication behaviors, responding to whatever scenario they are processing in the dream. If dreams are built exclusively by consolidating daytime experiences, we simply have to audit what constitutes a pet dog's waking life. You provide the walks, the training, the treats, and the affection. You are the absolute center of your dog's worldview. Because you are the focus of their day, you are the central figure in their memory consolidation process. Yes, they are dreaming about you. When you see your dog twitching or crying out, your first impulse is often to reach down and comfort them. But waking them abruptly interrupts crucial restorative REM sleep and risks startling them into an accidental snap. So the next time your dog paddles their paws in their sleep, just let them lie. In their mind's eye, they're running right alongside you.